Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to Alpha Network. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. It's important to ensure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security, protecting your digital assets. Next, we'll prepare to gather the necessary contract details for Alpha Network, which are crucial for a successful and secure connection. Now, you'll need to find the specific details for Alpha Network. This includes its official contract address, the network it operates on, its token symbol, and the number of decimals. You can usually find this vital information on Alpha Network's official website, white paper, or trusted social media channels. Always double-check these details meticulously to avoid any potential issues or scams, ensuring accuracy. With the Alpha Network details in hand, open Trust Wallet and go to the main screen. Tap the icon in the top right corner to access the token search, then scroll down to add custom token. Change the network to the correct one, like BNB Smart Chain. Paste the contract address, then manually enter the token name, symbol, and decimals you gathered. Finally, tap Save or Import. After saving, you should now see the Alpha Network token listed clearly in your Trust Wallet. Any Alpha tokens sent to your address will appear here automatically. To interact with Alpha Network's decentralized applications, use the DApp browser within Trust Wallet. Simply enter the Alpha Network URL into the browser. Remember to always be cautious and verify the legitimacy of any DApp before connecting your wallet to protect your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.